Hi, my name is Lindy from Project Portfolio Office, and in this short video I will show you how to go about closing a project on PPO. So here I am on my project list. As you can see, I've got 15 active projects in my portfolio, and the project that I'll be closing out for demonstration purposes is the Setup PPO project. Okay, so if I drill into my project, before marking it as inactive, there are a couple of checks that we always need to just go through to make sure everything is sound and we are compliant. Okay, so on my project view page, if I just scroll down, you can see my project is currently in closing and active. My actual progress is 100%, which means all my underlying tasks have been completed. So that's one of the checks that you do. And if you scroll down to your project governance section, you also need to ensure that you are compliant to governance. If you have an amber or red, you can always use this governance report link to have a look at where the gaps might be in order to plug that before you close out the project. So yeah, you can see all my documents have been loaded onto PPO. They're all in an approved status, and therefore I am ready to close out my project. It's also important that you ensure that all your underlying data, like your issues, your risks, and tasks, have been marked as 100% complete or just closed out. So here you can see I've got 3 open issues, which I know I have addressed. I just quickly need to close them out. I can do this in a multiple edit mode. So if I do that, I can just change their status to closed. Let me quickly do that. And I simply submit. So this takes me back to my project view page, and now I've done all the checks and balances, and I'm comfortable that I'm compliant in all the areas, and I'm now going to archive my project. So you literally click on edit. If you scroll down, you'll see we have an active tick box here that we untick. So that's the archiving functionality on the project. I'm also moving my status into completed, and I simply click on submit. Okay, so now my project has been archived. If I go back to my project list and I hit the refresh button, you'll see that my 15 active projects then slims down to 14 items. So here you can see I now have 14 items instead of 15. The project that I closed out now, it's not gone forever. If I remove my global filter, I still have the ability to access my archived projects. And that's how easy it is to close out a project on PPO. Thanks for watching.